it's Olivia. I'm here for Thursday 3 with Mark. He's going to tell you about our paver today.
Actually, our paver is going to be a wall stone product. We have full pallets of colonial stone. We sell it in 1 to 3, 2 to 4, and 4 to 6 inch. So you see some different sizes here. Great uses are for stacked garden walls, small retaining walls, little accent walls. Great product. We always have it on hand here.
And our plant today is phenomenal lavender. It is a full sun plant and it is a hardy perennial, so it will last a long time in your yard. It's deer resistant and it also attracts butterflies and bees.
Our product is adhesive. So this is great for all types of applications. If you're going to want to glue wall stone to wall stone, wall stone to wood, it even accepts metal, vinyl, PVC. It's great for making those different mixed media in the landscape. This is a rapid-set adhesive, which is great. So if you want to do something, you need to work with it quick so it can hold quickly. You don't have to sit there and hold it if you're trying to do a vertical application. We have this always on the shelf. The nice thing about this is that we can get it in the quart size, which we always typically have, and we also have it in the 10-ounce size, which is if you're doing a smaller project, you don't have to have this massive quart. The one thing you will need with it is a heavy-duty caulk gun. It's not like silicone; it's a much thicker product, so you need something that's got a little bit stronger guts to push it. And we have these on the shelf as well. So there's your Thursday 3. Have a great day. We'll see you next week.